Today's featured pickup truck is a 1990 Chevrolet 454 SS GMT400 pickup truck. And this one I filmed at a car show that I went to in Oklahoma, and it was a beauty. Looks like it had been repainted because I don't think the factory paint was that nice, and the bed doesn't have a mark on it. Mileage, it looks like it has either 25,000 miles, which is believable, or 125. I can't tell because I didn't take a picture of the odometer. Either way, the interior was like brand new. It was really a nice truck, in and out. And he replaced the original wheels with some newer wheels, bigger tires, and added some fog lights to it. But it was definitely a good looking truck, that's for sure. As far as the S454SS trucks go, there's a page on the internet if you want to take a look if you're not familiar with them. It was an article by Brock Yates, who's been an automotive writer, or was an automotive writer for 50 plus years. And he has GMT 400 Chevrolet 454 SS 1990 through 1993 deep dive. And this will give you all your info. I'll give you a couple of highlights off of it. But basically, the first year, 1990, is when they made the most of them. They made 13,748. Those had 230 horsepower and 380 pounds-feet of torque, and they had the Turbo Hydromatic 400 three-speed automatic transmission. They're all two-wheel drive, regular cab, short bed pickup trucks, short box ones. And then in 1991, they made 983 of them, but they went to the 4L80E four-speed automatic overdrive transmission, and they increased the horsepower on the engine to 255 and 405 pound-feet of torque. Both those years only came in onyx black with the garnet red interior. So this guy could possibly be a 91. I'm not 100% sure, judging by the shifter thing. I didn't get the whole thing, so I didn't see if it was an overdrive, but it looks like it's probably a Turbo 400 transmission in it. In 92, they made 1,379 trucks. 91, 92, 93. They all had the 255 horsepower, 405 torque, the 4L80E four-speed automatic overdrive transmission. And these had a 410 rear end in them, which is option code GT5, and then G80 is the option code for posi. They all came with one-wheel peel, but posi was optional on all of them every year. And in 92, you can get it in Summit White, Victory Red, or Onyx Black. In 1993, the final year, they made 843 of them, and it's essentially the same as the 92. As far as total production of them, they made 16,953 and 13,748 in 1990, 983 in 91, 1,379 in 92, and 843 in 93. And if you want to see if you're looking at a truck to buy and you want to make sure it's a real one, if you open up the glove box store, it'll have the option codes on it. The 454 SS will have a B4U code on it. So letter B, number 4, and the letter U. And then if it's posi, it'll have a G80. If it has the 373 gears, it'll be GT4 option code right before the G80, and then GT5 for the 411 gears. So that's pretty much the easiest way to tell if it's a real deal or not. But anyway, that's today's featured pickup truck of the day, a 1990 or 91 Chevy SS 454 or 454 SS pickup truck that I filmed at a car show that I went to in Oklahoma. If you made it to the end of the video, thank you very much for watching. I appreciate it. If you can share this video and my channel, Motor City, with a friend, or share it on your group page if you have one, I would appreciate it. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one. Thanks again for watching. I appreciate it. And by the way, here's a couple of videos. This will take you over to my page, and you can take a look at any of the videos that are there that look good to you. But thanks again for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.